What's happening, guys? John from j&jautowrecking here with the test video for LJDG258. Tongue twister, almost messed that one up. This is our 2018 Dodge Ram 2500 Power Wagon. Don't call it a Dodge, folks. This truck comes to us with a little over 10,000 miles on her. Took a wild ride in the front here. I believe it was a rollover or maybe on its side in a ditch. Something to that extent, but it is in very good condition minus everything. Let's be real here. She's kind of well loved, but she's got a ton of good parts on her. The truck does have a set of 4 wheels and tires. These are going to be the factory Duratrax with the Power Wagon wheels. Those are going to come with sensors and lug nuts. They are tested, as you can see in the video. The side steps are Power Wagon specific. They are black in the shorter style. Same deal with the flares. We got Power Wagon flares. They're kind of like a weird, they're not textured, they're like a matte black from the factory. They're kind of cool. This truck does have a nice undercover bed cover on it, which we're going to be selling. The hinges look like they might be tweaked. I'm going to try to order a set of hinges for this thing, but this thing is already nicely painted in that factory Power Wagon red. Wow. If you guys caught that, go ahead and make fun of me. Nice little light there. It's carpeted. Somebody spent some real money on this guy. Moving right along here, there's the spare tire we've got on it for the moment. The interior is very cool. I'm a 4th gen Dodge guy myself. I did not know this existed. These are power with diesel gray and leather. They are illuminated door panels. We're going to be selling those as a set of 4 with the seats. I've already got a set of bags ordered. We're sending these seat backs off to L&D Customs to get them restitched. These seats are going to be better than new. We're going to be selling them as a set of front and rear. You're not going to get the jump seat with it. I know a lot of guys want to convert. We're going to be selling the jump seat separately. Let me step inside here and show you why. Because this truck is a 2018, it has the let me make sure she has nav. The UAS radio in it. All right, with the CarPlay media hub. This is very hard to find for the jump seats. This has got a complete. We're going to be selling a jump seat conversion here as well with the lower dash and the radio trim. Let me get tested on this climate control here, guys. Let me hear vented seats. We got vented going on both sides so you guys can see them. Switch them over to the heated. The heated's working. Heated wheels on. Climate control's rocking and rolling. Let me turn this all off. I am already getting hot. Just wanted to show you guys that everything worked there. All right, this unit has 10,526 miles on it. It is the 6.4 liter Hemi. I have gone ahead and ordered a factory 392 intake, and we're going to be selling this as a Jeep swap. Did a little bit of research, and I know the SRT 392 intake is the one that everybody wants. So we're going to go ahead and get this motor swapped over and ready to go into your Gladiator or your JL. Let's go ahead and test out the transmission here. Ooh, the mirror tilts. I didn't know they did that. As you guys can see, parking sensors working front and rear. Brakes work. So like I said, this is going to be sold as a motor swap. It's going to get you the engine, harness, the ECU, and the belt-driven accessories. This is an this is not an electronic power steering pump truck. This is a 2500, so it doesn't have that. Tons of errors in this video, guys. Bear with me if you're a Dodge guy. Black headliner changeover we're going to be selling. The pillars are already gone, but we're going to have just the headliner and the sunshade material here. You got a truck with that nasty diesel gray. This is going to be what you want. I think I've covered everything on this truck, guys. Bear with me if I forgot something, but that's going to wrap up the test video for LJDG258. Like I said, this was our 2018 Dodge Ram 2500 Power Wagon. We'll do one more walk around here. Show you guys, that's the tailgate. I know a lot of people online have been asking on Instagram about the gate. We're just going to be parting it out because of that. So like I said, guys, that's going to wrap up the test video for LJDG258, our 2018 Dodge Ram 2500 Power Wagon 6.4 Hemi swap. Wow, that is a mouthful. You guys want to buy this motor, go to our website, www.jandjautowrecking.com, where you can find a link to this motor and all our other dropouts and swaps that we have for sale. You'll find some parts off of this Rams. We got a couple more. If you guys want an inside scoop of what's going on around here, give us a follow on Instagram at j&jautowrecking, and make sure you guys subscribe to this YouTube channel because we're gonna have a bunch of cool stuff coming out, a bunch of cool cars. So Thanks for watching, guys, and we're out.